friends and family, and welcome back. If you are new to this channel, I'm so excited to have you. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I make my vegan Bulgogi bowl. It's a mouthful to say, but delicious to eat. So come on, let's get cooking. Here I'm going to be adding some water to the sour cream and sriracha to make it the consistency that I like. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt, but you can make adjustments here to suit your taste. Now I'm going to build my bowl by splitting the rest of the ingredients in half to make 2 servings. see what this tastes like. It was pretty quick, wasn't it? At least I thought it was. Mm. 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 Yes, it's perfect. But if you've worked all day, get off from work, come home, and need something quick. This is quick, man. You can prepare your vegetables the night before. Especially these pickled cucumbers. Oh my goodness. Slice them up the night before. Put them in the refrigerator. Can't beat them. You can even grate your carrot the night before. Take about a few minutes. Get your meat together. Well, your grillers together. Rice takes about 15 minutes. You got a meal in less than 30 minutes. All you have to do is double the recipe, triple the recipe. If you gotta feed your kids, they'll enjoy this as well. Some children don't like hot things, so you may not want to use your sriracha in your sour cream. But I love it hot. I use that and sprinkle more on top. This is quick, it's easy. Filling. Not to mention good for you. Cucumber. All by itself, cucumber. It's wonderful for you. If you don't like cucumber, use zucchini. You gotta take this recipe and make it yours. If you don't like something, you don't put it in there. Use what you do like. That's what I do. I'll find a recipe somewhere. That's all a recipe is. Something you like. Somebody put something together that they like. I said, that's good. Somebody else tasted it, said, that's good. And voila, there's a recipe. You can do the same thing. I'll tell you. This thing right here makes you want to throw these chopsticks down and get yourself a fork. So good. Well, boy, I was hungry. This is good. There's so many flavors in that bowl. Listen, once again, thank you all so very much for spending even a minute of your time with me. I appreciate you so much. I hope that this recipe will be something that you can use and you can put it in your arsenal of meals for your family and that you all will enjoy. Thank you again. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that when I put up a recipe, you'll be amongst the first to know. Thank you so much, and you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.